Here at the pier is the magnificent Norwegian Encore, a breakaway plus-class ship with Norwegian Cruise Line. She measures 1,094 feet long, or 333 meters, and 136 feet wide, or 41 meters, with a gross tonnage of over 169,000. Rising 20 decks high, she accommodates nearly 4,000 guests and more than 1,700 crew members. The hull artwork, by Spanish artist Eduardo Arans Bravo, is a colorful symbol of creativity and adventure. Above, the upper decks feature a 2-level racetrack at sea, a multi-story water park, and expansive lounges with panoramic harbor views. Moving midship, Encore offers broad open spaces, infinity pools and sun terraces for relaxation, and signature cascading balconies stepping down toward the stern. At the very top sits the Haven, an exclusive luxury enclave with its own private sun deck and amenities. Even while docked, the Norwegian Encore stands as a floating resort, a masterpiece of innovation, entertainment, and modern luxury.